Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I'm so excited that you're here. Welcome to Module 2 of our YouTube live streaming tutorial. And today we're going to show you how to set up your YouTube Live on your mobile devices. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an Apple. We're going to show you how to do that. But before we begin that, let's do a quick recap of what we've learned so far. First, we learned why YouTube live stream is one of the hottest trends to really build an engaged audience. We also learned the requirements to use YouTube live stream, and we learned that there were 3 ways to do YouTube live stream: the Stream Now feature, the events, and mobile. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today. How to set up your YouTube live stream on mobile devices, on your Android and on your Apple iPhone and iPad. And then we're going to learn how to enable the live stream on those mobile devices. All right, so to create a live stream, what we need to do first is when you're on your mobile device, you're going to see these 3 options, and you want to make sure you select which device you have, whether it's an Android or an iPhone or iPad. Now we're going to first start with Android. The requirements for an Android are as such. You need to confirm that your YouTube channel is a verified one. And again, if you did that in the previous video, you are good to go. You need to confirm that you have no live stream confinements over the last 90 days. Basically, you haven't done anything with copyright infringement or anything where people are thinking you are abusing YouTube with your live videos. And here's the most important part. Is in order to use live stream, and it doesn't matter if you have an Android or Apple, your YouTube channel must have 100 subscribers before it gets enabled, okay? And if you're having difficulty coming up with subscribers, stick with me until the end of this video because I have a training available for you that will help you how to do that. Once you've gone through the requirements, you want to click on the capture button, choose to go live, create a title, and once you do this, choose the privacy setting. Again, you want to go public because you want people to see your live stream video. Optional, you can go to select settings and add a description and then choose to enable or disable the live chat. I would suggest that you have enabled. You want to engage with your audience. So, if you are going to be you're enabling your live chat, you need to make sure that you are enabling an age limitation for your YouTube live stream as well. Now you need to indicate whether your stream contains paid promotions that include a paid promotion disclosure. Then you have to click on that back arrow. Now, if you're first getting started and you just have 100 subscribers, you know, when you're going to be doing paid promotions, that is not going to be enabled for you yet. You need to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program, and for that, the requirements are you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year's period. So you don't need to worry about the paid promotions. But if you have a channel that you've got the monetization enabled, then you will want to make sure that you click on this. Now, to continue, once you've set that up, now you have to take a photo for your thumbnail. Okay, so you can either have one created ahead of time or you can do one right from your phone. You also want to make sure that you're streaming in landscape mode. If you're doing it where it's vertical, people don't watch it that way. They like watching it on landscape mode. So you want to make sure you're holding your device in the landscape mode. And you need to make sure, this is super important, that your phone's screen rotation is off. You also want to make sure ahead of time as well to click share your stream so that you're sharing it to other social media platforms. Then you can choose to go live. Once you've ended your live stream, you need to select finish and then OK, and then a file of the live stream is made on your YouTube channel after the stream closes. Now, you can also alter the privacy setting or erase the file on your video page of your YouTube live TV channel. Okay? So that is how we do it in Android. On the Apple devices, okay, your YouTube Live is accessible on iOS version 8 or higher. You would now be able to live stream from the primary YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. After an iPhone YouTube live stream ends, an archive is made on your channel, and then you have the choice to alter the security setting or erase the recorded archive. Now, here are some requirements for Apple. You need to confirm that your channel is a verified one, and you need to confirm that you have no strikes against you, and you need to have 100+ subscribers, similar to the Android. Now, what you need to do is make sure you download the most recent version of the YouTube app for iPhone or iPad, but this is for iPhone, excuse me. So you want to make sure, if you're doing this from your iPhone, that you are downloading the YouTube app for iPhone and then choose the camera button. You will now be able to live stream from the primary YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you want to grant permission to your YouTube application to access your phone's mic, storage, and camera. Then you need to verify your YouTube channel. Then you can choose to go live. Then you need to select the capture button and select Go Live. Then you need to create a title and then select your privacy setting, again, public. Then comes the optional settings for creating your live streaming. You want to make sure that you add a description and then enable live chat. Enable or disable the age limitation for your YouTube live stream. Indicate whether your stream contains paid promotion, and if yes, include a paid promotion disclosure. Select the back arrow. Then you want to select next to take that photo or upload photo for your thumbnail. And then streaming YouTube video in landscape mode is you want to hold your device in landscape mode and make sure the rotation lock is off, okay? And then you want to share your live stream. You need to tap on share, select go live, and then when you're done, you select finish and then click OK, and then a record of the live stream is also created on your YouTube channel. Once the stream ends, then you're going to edit the security setting or delete the record on your My Video page. So when you look here, you're going to click on the iPhone, iPad. Now, live chat on mobile devices. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's Android or Mac. There's a couple of features you're going to see here that you can get set up. First is embed live chat. During the live stream, you can embed the live chat on your own side by using an iframe. You can disable live chat at any time given after the event, even after the event is started, which is very cool. You can see post-event comments. Post-live comments appear below the player after the stream ends, and you can set a time limit between comments, so it can limit the frequency of how fast people are commenting. So, and then we also have moderating live chat, where you can assign moderators for all of your live chat sessions. Did you find this video helpful today in setting up your mobile device for YouTube Live? If you did, leave a comment and share, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button you see in the lower right hand corner of your screen so you can get notified when the next tutorial comes up, which is where we're going to go to Part 3 as we break down 10 YouTube Live tips and best practices to help you get more views and subscribers. Now, as promised, I want to show you this free YouTube training that can help you grow your subscriber base. This was done by my good friend Mark Harbert, who's a video marketing expert. He's built a 7-figure business leveraging video. And what he's going to do here is he's done a free webinar training for you where you're going to learn how to attract a significant audience. He's going to teach you a 4-point blueprint to get prospects reaching out to you instead of them chasing you. Are you chasing them? The #1 killer for effective video marketing, and 99% of your competitors don't do this right. And then 2 simple actions to grab your prospect's attention and hold it so that people are going to want to come back and they're going to want to consume your content. And just for attending this free training, he's going to give you a free PDF of 101 hot video ideas, so you're never going to run out of what to make a video about again. And that's a $97 value, and he's going to give it to you absolutely free. All you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/video system, and you can get registered and you can get access to the PDF guide as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.